Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Chris. This is not going to be a long video. I just wanted to show you that I have a nail in my tire, but I decided to make a video and show you how I actually plug the tire. This can save you a lot of money, or you can also apply this concept to your motorcycle. So if you're stranded on the side of the road and you have a nail or a tack in your tire, you could actually safely plug it if the hole is in the area of the tread. Now, if the hole is in the side of the tire, in the sidewall, you can't plug it. But if it's in the tread area, within the steel belts, you could actually plug the tire safely. So I'm gonna show you guys how I actually plug this tire using a inexpensive kit that I picked up from Harbor Freight, and you can apply the same concept to your motorcycle. So stay tuned to this video and I'm going to show you how to plug a tire on an automobile. Let's get started. So some of the items that I'm going to use to plug the tire comes in this Pittsburgh Automotive 9-piece Tubeless Tire Repair Kit. You can pick these up online. They're very inexpensive. They're really cheap. I highly recommend putting one in each one of your vehicle, especially on your motorcycle. Keep one on your motorcycle. You never know when you need to use one of these things. So inside of the kit, they give you the reamer. There's the reamer. They give you the tire plug. They give you the rubber cement, and also a knife to cut the plug. And you're gonna need some tools like a needle nose to pull out the nail that's in the tire. So let's take a look at my plug kit. I actually keep a tire plug kit on both of my motorcycles, because you never know, in a situation you may need to use this. So I picked this up from Harbor Freight. It came with some plugs. It came with the tire reamer and the tool that actually holds the plug. It came with some rubber cement and also a knife to cut the plug once I have it inserted in the tire. So the best way to do this, you're gonna need some rubber gloves, because this reamer can jam your finger. So you wanna make sure that you got some good gloves when you're using the reamer. So I'm gonna put on some rubber gloves just as an extra safety precaution. So now that I have the rubber gloves on, I wanna go ahead and get the tire plug set up. And you can use the same concept on your motorcycle. You don't have to wait for a tow truck if you have a tire plug kit already on your bike. So I'm going to slide the plug inside of the tool. It's like threading a needle. Also, I got some needle nose, because you're gonna need a tool to actually pull the item outside of the tire. So I'm gonna take my little needle nose and I'm gonna pull that plug even. Just wanna make it even on both sides. Okay. I can put on my rubber cement. Put on the rubber cement all on the plug. And it's something that can save you some money. Plenty of rubber cement. It's probably good to order some extra rubber cement. I will include a link in the description of where you can pick up all of the items that I'm using here today. So I've used soap and water to verify that this is where my hole is located on the tire. I'm going to take my needle nose, I'm going to reach in, and I'm just going to pull this item out of the tire. I'm going to use these vice grips, lock in on it. Now I can pull this item out the tire. It's a nail. Look at that shit. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my reamer tool. This is why you need a good pair of gloves. Takes a lot of that nail went in at an angle, so you want to rim it out with your reamer. When you get your rubber cement ready, just going to add just a little bit more rubber cement. Once you finish adding your rubber cement, make sure that that plug is nice and even. I'll pull out the reamer. Takes a lot of force. Push the handle all the way in, and now when you pull it out, it should detach like so. I'm gonna take my handle, just hold it, and now I can cut off the excess with the razor blade. And this is how you plug a tire. I will include a link in the description of the video of all of the items that I use here to plug this tire. If you guys have any comments, feel free to put them down in the comment section below. And this concept also applies to motorcycles as well as automobiles. So I highly recommend keeping a plug kit inside of your saddlebag, inside of your trailer, inside of your trunk, because you never know if you're on the side of the road, you can actually perform this repair yourself, save yourself a little bit of money. Once again, if the item is in the side of the tire, on the sidewall, you can't plug it. But if it's in the tread area, you can plug it through the steel belts. So once you get it plugged, you can drive to a service center, have your tire replaced or repaired. But anyway, if you guys like this video, be sure to click the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will talk to you guys later.
dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah, ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm all in here, yeah, they all in here. Ooh, big dog, we come out the pound, so we big dog. Heavy paddock on me, break my wrist off. I'm young out of rocket, by the lead dog. 3, 2, 5, I got big dog status, I'm a